afternoon, ma'am, and good afternoon, sir. My name is Vijaykant Sidnal, and I am from grade 1st B. And we all have come to take your interview. Should we start, sir?
Yeah, of course.
Sir, I want to ask a small question. Which school first you study?
I am from St. Paul's School. It's in Belgaum, camp area.
Is there any plan to open a chocolate factory? If yes, please call me as a chief guest.
Call you as a chief guest. Yeah, definitely I'll call you as a chief guest. And yeah, there are certain plans in the coming future to open up a chocolate factory as well.
My name is Fashi Sharma. I am from 3rd B grade. This question is for sir. Why is the brand called Kings? Is there a special reason for that name?
Yeah, the brand name is called as King. The reason behind this is it was my dad's dream to relaunch a brand again. So we started with the name King.
My name is Rishali from Birla International School. I study in grade 1. Which is your favorite flavor?
My favorite flavor is cotton candy.
I am Aryan Kolvekar. I am from 1st A class. This short question, sir. How many kinds of ice creams you make?
Yeah, we have more than 100 flavors of ice cream right now. And we will be expanding it to 150 or 150 plus.
Sir, my name is Vansapya. I am studying in grade 3. Sir, my dream car is Bugatti and I know that you have a Porsche. Is that your dream car?
The which one? The Bugatti one or the Porsche one?
Porsche.
No, Porsche is not my dream car, but you can come and have a ride anytime.
मैम क्या आपके घर में पपीज के साथ खेल सकती हूँ?
Of course, आप घर आ जाओ. We have 5 different puppies. आप किसी के साथ भी खेल सकते हो.
This question is for ma'am. If my parents would had an ice cream factory, I would never leave the factory. For breakfast, lunch and dinner, I would only have ice cream and ice cream. Do you do the same thing?
I eat ice cream every day. Even if I'm not well, I eat my ice cream. I recently was not well. My temperature went up to 101. I still ate ice cream.
This is short question, ma'am. If you are Santa Claus, which gift you will give me?
I would create a pool of ice creams for you to dive in it.
Do you like ice cream? Do you guys like ice cream? Which is the favorite one? Chocolate. Which chocolate? The cone or the scoop? Cone one.
Oh,
Have you guys tried King ice cream? Which one? Milk ice cream. Which one? Blue and pink.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you guys. Thank you.